Cooking together and eating together. That's something that's always been part of B-Art's practice. We were really keen to do something which used food and arts and work with young people. Everyone's got a chef's hat. On it, they've got the name of their favourite food and their favourite animal.
Cucumber rabbit, spaghetti leopard.
Sagamore spaniel.
I've forgotten what's on my hat.
It's about creating a really exciting, imaginative environment where young people and their families can come in, try out some crazy cooking, and at the same time they'll meet storytellers and writers.
This is my it's like a big sort of recipe spell book. Beat in flour from our garden. Okay, so we get some flour, so we get some flowers and we shake it all in.
It kind of brings cooking, storytelling, it kind of brings it all together. So it gives them a chance to be creative and get the fingers dirty and get stuck in.
It's absolutely a fantastic way to use the literacy skills in a really fun way as well.
What is the recipe you're going to write?
To turn me into a superhero.
To turn you into a superhero.
Black bat wings, cheetah's whiskers, sticky bee tongues. It's going to make me sharp claws, and the sticky bee tongues are going to make me to stick to stuff.
We did tasting bugs, we did tasting just unusual ingredients as well. What does it taste like? What does it remind them of? What could they pretend it was?
What's it called in the magical world?
What's it called in the magical world?
What big monsters' leg shavings?
It's an opportunity, something that's different with the children. They're mixing with children that they've not met.
The younger one especially is very shy, and he's starting school this time. He's doing the things, he's not speaking much at the moment.
Is that progress?
Yes, to get him to join in, yeah.